Hello guys, this is Cyber with Khalifa for a new video. Today we're going to play a little bit with Splunk and for me it's a really good video because we're gonna talk about today about how to ingest the log from FortiGate or other Cisco or Fortinet logs to your universal forward, and after this to your index or your search head, etc. So it's a really good video. You're gonna start from the beginning. I'm gonna start the video by explaining to you how it's gonna go, what you're gonna do, and after this we're gonna do the work. It's gonna be a 10-12 minute video, so be ready with me. Let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna go to our FortiGate machine. Okay. So for me, what I did, I create a machine in in Azure. I went to Marketplace. I went to Marketplace and I searched FortiGate next generation firewall, and I installed the firewall. You can install whatever you want like firewall, so it's not the problem. Okay, you install your firewall. You're gonna take a free license. I'm gonna put this in the description. You're gonna take free license for 15 days, and you did like 40 get mentioned here. Okay, so after this, what you're gonna do, you're gonna have your VM. So the log is gonna be come from our on firewall from the. I'm gonna show you this a little bit from the syslog 5555. I choose 5555, but by default is 514. But for security, I changed it to 514. We're gonna go to our firewall, enable syslog, put our universal forward or heavy forward IP, create an index here, and also in the heavy forward or the universal forward, go to inputs.conf and put some configuration. So first of all, we're gonna go to our FortiGate machine. I'm gonna go to my FortiGate machine and type my password. So I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna go okay. So after this, you're gonna go to log and report and go to log settings. You choosing here event logging to all, local traffic setting to all, enable this and put your universal forward or your heavy forward from, IP address. Okay. After this, you go click to apply, and after apply, you're gonna go here. You can see this, but you're gonna go here. Okay, to CLI, and after this, I'm gonna bring just my command. Just 1 second to. I'm gonna bring my commands here, please. So yeah. So after this, you're gonna go to your config log syslog. Okay. Go to set status enable, and after this, you're gonna set server, and here you're gonna set port to 555 and start and click end. Okay. After this, what you're gonna do to just verify everything is good from this part, I'm gonna just put my head here. So everything is good here. We're gonna go to our index in our this is our index here, our index. We're not we have to do some configuration here, sorry, but I'm going to do like create an index. It's really simple. I'm gonna change this to English. Yeah, yes. go to indexes and create a new index. Okay, create a new index, and you're gonna have an index like this, FortiGate. Okay, after creating your index, you're gonna go to your universal forward, the heavy forward, and you're gonna go to your. I'm gonna show you. It's just here. I'm gonna go to our input.conf. I'm gonna UDP 555. We tell our server to listen to 555. Put our index, source type, source. This you cannot change this because when you put like this, it's gonna automatically parsing the log and do the configuration to FortiGate. Okay, so you're gonna have the fields already exist. Okay, connection host DNS, a queue size 10 megabyte. This is like we send the logs 10 megabyte by 10 megabyte, and the queue is like when, let's imagine that the index is offline, it's gonna stop in the stop the queue. Okay, so we don't lose data. Okay, so we know that we have buckets of 10 megabyte. Okay, and disable important to put it in 0. After this, to just do some test, you're gonna go to you go here and do like this. Okay, and like you see, it's like listening to your FortiGate firewall. Okay, all good here. After this, we're gonna go directly to our Splunk. We restarted. Okay, after restarting Splunk, I already restarted. You go to your Splunk Enterprise. I don't know if you have an application or if you can just go to search and reporting. Okay, and I just click a history and add to search and use this. And like you see, you have all your data from FortiGate, from our FortiGate server. Okay, source type, sorry, and you have all your things. Like I said, when you put source and source type, is gonna ingest this with the feed of FortiGate, like a table, like or stats count by dist IP, for example. I don't have a dist IP, and like table dist IP. One second, I just trying to do some command. Okay, let's count by dist IP. So here, you see all the logs. It's really good. Okay, so yeah, just this. It's really simple, like I said. For Microsoft, I'm gonna repeat this. To install, it's really simple. You take your 200 bucks free from Azure, and you go here, create a machine, create, and you click, you choose your source group. You start pay as you go, but if you are, like I said, if you have a silence license, you can go directly to here and pick license, and it's really simple. Okay, it's really simple. After this, you just have to open port in you have 1 second. Yeah, you have to open port in Splunk and the search head, the 555. For me, I just open all, but I not recommend this. Okay, it's just for testing. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Like I said, here your FortiGate log. It's organized. Everything is good. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.